homeschooling and learning for kids. In this video, we will learn about vegetables. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Carrot. This is carrot. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Ginger. This is ginger. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Lemon. This is lemon. Garlic. This is garlic. Chili. This is chili. Turnip. This is turnip. Beans. This is beans. Bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Onion. This is onion. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Potato. This is potato. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Okra. This is okra. Peas. This is peas. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Tomato. This is tomato. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Chayote. This is chayote. Radish. This is radish. Drumstick. This is drumstick. Bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. Kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Arum. This is arum. Corn. This is corn. Mint. This is mint. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Leek. This is leek. Fennel. This is fennel. Coriander. This is coriander. Spinach. This is spinach. Please like, share and subscribe to Homeschooling and Learning for Kids channel for more videos. In our next video, we will learn about domestic animals.